Made it through the fire, walking through the rain. Young nigga 23, I done been through some things. Wanna see a nigga struggling, suffering. Pain in my heart and it's NardDog the rapper wanna see me struggling. Going through depression and I'm struggling. Crying every night and I'm struggling. Damn, I miss my son and I'm struggling. Struggling with depression and I'm struggling. Crying every night and I'm struggling. In the middle of the night I be tussling. Hold me down, I be struggling, tussling. A young nigga been struggling, but I'ma go on. I miss my son every day, but I'ma stand strong. A lot of people don't understand, I'm staying strong. Trying to live my life and they don't understand what's going on. I got depression going on, got suicide going on, but I'ma keep my mind steady focused. A young nigga only 23, can't really see my son, but I hope you understand me. I gon' see him when I get a chance now. I call him every day, yeah, I get a chance now. And then the pain in my eyes when I hang up. I'm going through depression when I hang up.